So Neil, we're here at CIS PPC in High Wycombe. What's today about?
Well, CIS have been good enough to give us access to their Product Proving Centre. They are a technical partner, so it's a good bit of collaboration. So they've really given us their resource to come up with a couple of demos and just highlight some of our newer products.
If you talk about this one, you know, it's a fairly straightforward turn part, but we've got some quite novel solutions here.
Yeah, we're really not focusing on really the part. There's some features in there. It's really about the tooling. So straight in the turning aspect of it, Tiger-tec Gold is the new theme with the third generation grades. So in the WPP10G, WPP20G, WPP30G, all set up as an advancement from the predecessor Tiger-tec Silver with a good scope for productivity increases.
What are the benefits? Is it cutting data? Obviously we're not going to see tool life today, but are those the types of things that improve?
Well, the main one is tool life, but obviously if you're extending tool life, there's always the opportunity to then increase the cutting data and take advantage of the faster rate. So there's a good balance, good advantages to be taken.
And if we look at this next tool, which is for finishing, if you've never seen it before, it looks different to anything else on the market, doesn't it?
It is, yeah. This is a project that we've strived for a long time now. We call it a copy turning system. It's pretty much finished profiling in its main. And we've had requests to make the finishing inserts more accurate. So we've come up with an insert. It has 3 location rails on the bottom. And the target is to hit position size with repeatability of plus or minus 50 microns.
Yeah, it's incredible. You say you've got the clearance on the back here. Typically, you wouldn't see that on a tool holder, would you?
No, we didn't want to rely on the steel. That's one of the downsides of the existing ISO systems for finishing. So it relies on these 3 rails on the bottom. It's very hard to see from a distance, but we have 3 equally spaced rails, and they hold the accuracy and give the security of the insert.
And if we move on to a grooving tool?
Yeah, this really, our GX system, which is long-standing, we've really gone ahead with grades and geometries over the years. What we've done this wide recess in a sort of high dynamic mode, which is the new thing. The CAM systems are covering that. And it's really just to show that we are aligned with the industry, that we're in a good position to sort of take up these higher applications.
For those that haven't seen it, it's very similar to trapezoidal milling, isn't it? But obviously turning.
Same aspect, yeah. You're using high cutting data, high cutting speed, low depth of cut, and high feed rate. Essentially, it's a very safe operation. It's process secure. It offers high data, so you can get these wider features done. It takes a lot of stress out of the machine and out of the tool.
And again, you don't need like a B-axis. Obviously, on a B-axis, great, but you just need a standard lathe.
Yeah, that's right. A 3-axis lathe. We've done it on this morning. It can get more advanced with the more complex the machine is, but essentially, the CAM package carries the program for you. Obviously, you put in your dimensions, and it'll work it all out for you.
And the final tool?
Yeah, this is interesting. This is fairly new. Our DX grooving system. So it succeeds the GX16. We found there were some limitations with it, a lot less security in the insert in the pocket compared to the GX24 system. So we come up with a new tool. Basically, the significant difference is increasing the seating surface, and then we have a form-fit location in the end of the insert and on the tool holder. And in testing, a lot of the cases, we've doubled the tool life. Same grade, same geometry, doubled the tool life over the old GX16 system. So very secure and a worthwhile project.
Yeah, and we're looking at this job, it's a steel part, but obviously ISO, I'm presuming you've got a vast range of grades, but how about these other tools? Have you got grades for all, this copy turn, have you got it for all materials?
Covers all materials, yep. And obviously the stainless steel side's ready for upgrade. That's coming in within the next year. So we're ready for that. But across the board, we're covered for the cast iron steels and then the PVD grades for the stainlesses and the high temperature alloys.
So for the engineers at home watching this and they want to learn more, how do they do so?
Very easy. We have a good network for people to buy from, and also the internet's available. So look us up online, waltertools.com, and you'll find all the contact details that you need.